Wala guys, a short weekend here in the mountain of Pyrenees. It's just about 2 hours drive from the house. Ayan. Pumunta kami dito dahil gusto ng aming little one na sumakay ng train on the top of this mountain. Ayan. Ayan na yung train. Niikot niya yung buong noon puro ice yan. Ngayon wala na, tunaw na kay mag-summer. So, ayan, nag-enjoy naman itong little one namin. Kapapanood ng mountain. Walang mga kakahoy-kahoy pero yan ang pinaka-highest mountain dito sa Pyrenees na walang kahoy. Ayan Pero maraming dito parang Carnero yata yun. Yan, marami dyan. At maraming lake. May lake dyan. So, mayroon din dyan mga camping sites. At saka cable car. Dahil mayroon dito ski resorts. Pwede ka dito mag-ski pag winter. Puro snow yan. Kahit yung train na yan, dumadaan yan sa snow. Pero pag summer, ganyan yan. Makikita mo yung ang ganda ng mountain dito. Ayan. At saka, yatin, parang 2 hours na train pag ikot-ikot dyan sa bukid. Ayan, ang tawag pala dyan ng train na Little Tourist Train Rides. Ayan. Ang train, take an unforgettable journey to the top of the Pyrenees aboard Europe's highest train. Discover over 10 kilometers of breathtaking panorama. Ayan. 55 minutes lang pala yung cruising. Ayan. Ang pangalan pala dito ay The Artus Train, a journey to the highest of the Pyrenees. Ayan. Vertiginous mountains touching the sky-high, sunny rocky valleys, perched lakes with crystal clear waters. The Osu Valley continues massive after massive and inexhaustible terrain of adventure. In this valley, the Artus train, the highest small train in Europe, allows you to cross at an altitude of 2,000 meters, a grandiose natural environment that has remained largely wild. Immediate boarding for Lake Artus, a splendid discovery after 10 kilometers of train ride at the top of the mountains, an unforgettable trip on trains. Ayan, nag-enjoy naman na aming little one. The train Artus, the highest in Europe. The gondola lift takes about 10 minutes before reaching the Saget departure station. The ascent of splendid panoramas on the valley on the Pyrenees National Park and on the Fabridge Lake, which is adorned with an azure blue. At the exit of the cable car, I discovered the station and the little red-yellow train originally built by the company the Chemin de Fer du Midi in order to transport men, equipment, and fuel to build the Artus Dam between 1924 and 1932 as part of a program to build hydroelectric factories. Finally, in addition to transporting the personnel of the hydroelectric power station, the little train was opened to the public for tourist purpose in 1932. So ayan, pagkatapos namin ng train station, tumuloy naman kami sa zoo. Ayan, ang tawag dyan ay African Safari. Ang tawag namin dyan ay Parc Zoologique du Plaisance du Touche. Malapit lang dito sa amin. African Safari, a wildlife park located in Plaisance du Touche near Toulouse. 600 exotic animals watch the birds in free fight during a unique event. So, dito sa African Safari, mayroon ditong 600 exotic animals from 80 species, African elephants, lions, zebras, Siberian tigers, pink flamingos, baboons, meerkats, and etc. Pagpasok ng sasakyan, diretso lang kayo sa zoo, nakasakay lang kayo sa inyong sariling sasakyan at mag-drive. So ayan, ang zoo dito sa aming malapit sa bahay. Tapos meron din, pag nakapark na kayo, meron din walking na parts ng mga animals na pwede nyo mapanood sa sarili nyong mga mata. May walking. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next travel vlog. Ciao, ciao!